Hey everyone, Gil at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to be talking about alcohol supplies. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below here. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. All right, alcohol supplies. I know there are two camps out there going each different direction. One camp is going, oh, booze, booze, booze. The other one's going rubbing alcohol, sanitation, okay. Well, you're each half right because it includes both. All right, alcohol supplies. You want to make the main and most important part of alcohol supplies is for medical use. Now everyone goes, well, what about drinking and stuff? Well, yeah, that you can do for bartering, or if you happen to drink yourself, you may want to stock some of that. But that also falls back to one of my previous videos on dealing with vices. Alcohol. Your alcohol for medical comes in 70% alcohol, 90%, 91% alcohol. This is basically a wood alcohol, or isopropic alcohol. It's alcohol you do not drink. You drink it, you go blind. All right. The other type of alcohol is your drinking alcohol. However, for your drinking alcohol to be of any use to you, it needs to be at least 140 proof or 70% alcohol, because then you can also use it as a sterilizing agent as well. Okay. The higher the alcohol percentage or proofage, the better for its use in medical purposes. All right. Now, I hope this gets you guys thinking about your options here. Oh, I can stock up a whole bunch of Everclear. If I don't need it medically, I might be able to make a killing by watering it down and selling it off as 90 proof. That's true. So whatever you do, don't violate federal laws. Make sure you have enough alcohol to meet your medical needs, and then expand your preps to include other types of alcohol that you may want to try to barter with or sell. All right. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Don't do anything foolish, and stay prepared. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out the end of the stream here. We'll have several links to other videos you might be interested in. Take care.